What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're back at the shop. We've been putting our ass to the grindstone a little bit, trying to get all this stuff done. This is my brother's Acura 2014 Acura TSX. Some work done on it. It's a pretty easy job here. Structural pieces inside here, and this door was damaged, the bumper was damaged, and this fender was damaged. We're getting down on that dent puller machine that I bought. We're starting to get a good feel on how to use it. It's starting to come out pretty decent. Be able to save more panels and more doors. Check it out. We'll show you. Getting ready to paint. Got everything masked up. Gotta get stuff wiped down. Throw some sealer on. Got our homemade booth. Pumping in air, sucking air out up there. Got a couple fans right there. Should be good. Sheesh. Sheesh. Boss man.
Check it out, guys. Finally got it out. Got it painted. Letting it dry in the sun for a little bit. Surprisingly, didn't have to blend anything. This paint matched really well. Just need to do a quick buff, and she'll be ready to go as well.